Do you want to win this Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory? It is a bike full of character, and when you used to say that about Italian bikes, sometimes it wasn't such a good thing, but this one, it is very much a good thing. It won MCN's Naked Bike of the Year. The handling is off the charts, and of course you've got that thumping 1100cc engine. If you want to win this thing, get the link in the video, get your tickets and join us for that guaranteed live draw where you could be joining over 6,000 UK winners. The bike looks absolutely fantastic. As you'd expect from the Italians, this thing is of course dripping in carbon fiber. You've got the performance and handling to match that. 1100cc V4 produces 175 brake horsepower, 121 Newton meters of torque, and its lightweight means this thing is an absolute rocket ship. Thankfully, you've got wheelie control and launch control to keep your two wheels down, but it is not just about looks and power. The handling is off the charts. As you'd expect, you've got fully adjustable O-lins front and rear, Brembos all round. This one also benefits from a tail tidy, paddock stand bobbins, race levers, and of course that carbon Akrapovic exhaust. On top of that, the Italians have upped their game with the electronics. This one's got a quick shifter, pit lane limiter for you track hooligans, cruise control, 8-stage traction control, 3 levels of corner and ABS, rider modes, sport, track and race, and as I mentioned, wheelie control and launch control, which is an absolutely sensational experience. If you've not had a go on one, get your tickets. We'll see you for that live draw.